Beyond Meat has rallied today, June 13, and we detected these 4 sets of 5,000 unusual options activity. And so in this video, we will be analyzing what these options mean. Will this strong momentum continue to push Beyond Meat higher, or will it pull back soon? Because we have technical indicators showing overbought conditions such as the Williams %R and the DeMark's 9 indicator, which is about to print a 9, signaling a trend reversal. So without further ado, let's take a look at these unusual options. This was all done at 10:58 second mark. You'll see this is June 16 for 2 of these 5,000 options, and then July 21s for another 5,000 each here. So this is different strike prices, 17.5 for the Junes and 15 for the Julys. And we have the 17.5, the put side as a sell, and for the Junes, and then we have the call size for the sell for the July. So let's take a look at the chain to see what is going on. So June 16 expires in just 3 days. We can see that the 17.5 strikes are over here. This is the put side. And you'll see that the open interest of 16,000 is much greater than the 5,000. And same with the call side over here. This 20,000 open interest is much greater than 5,000. So this is not so conclusive, because this could mean that these are closing orders, and then it would be the opposite of the direction of opening orders. Now let's assume they were opening orders, then they would have sold the puts to open, and then they would have bought the call side to open as well. And if you analyze this trade, you could see that this is bullish, right? This is currently Beyond Meat at $14. This is the profit loss diagram. If this goes up in price on the x-axis, you could see that this curve is now above this 0 line, which is the profit line. Anything above is profit, anything below is a loss. You can see also the delta is positive, so we know this is bullish. It's a synthetic long strategy. Okay, and when we take a look at the next expiration cycle, the Julys that they did, we can take a look at that 15 strike here. We also see that the open interest on the put side here of 10,000 is much greater than the 5,000. Same on the call side. 11,000 is greater than the 5,000. So this is also not very conclusive, because these could also be closing orders. Now, if we were to assume they were opening orders, they would have sold the 15 strike and bought the 15 strike on the put side, right? And if you analyze this trade, let's take off the previous one. You could see that this is actually bearish, right? So 14, same thing. If the price goes down, this profit goes up, right? That's price there. You could see here, the Greeks now negative 94, which is bearish. So this is a bearish trade. So the thing about this is, because we both of these may not necessarily be opening orders. Well, they could. If they were, this would be what the trade would look like. However, one of them out of the two could be a closing order, and it would be a very different trade if that was the case. You have one here where this is bearish. So if this was a closing order and this was the opening order, then we would have Beyond Meat as bullish. But if this was a closing order and this was the opening order, then now we have a bearish Beyond Meat trade. All right, so it's very important to get the direction right, to analyze this correctly. And so that is why we have to have more data coming in to determine whether or not Beyond Meat is bullish or bearish, because currently it's inconclusive with both of these expiration cycles, where all 4 sets had open interest of much greater than the 5,000. All right. So for Beyond Meat, we think this is quite inconclusive at this moment until we get more data. And if you are interested, when we get more data and then we analyze it some more to finalize a direction, then join our membership to get access to these videos. We have exclusive videos that show additional analysis and our trades for members only. And this could help you if you want to diversify your portfolio with more stock tickers that have more certainty by using unusual options analysis to determine where they're going. Okay, so just click the join button on our channel to learn more about our channel. And you'll see there's a membership program that you can join to get access to these exclusive videos. All right, please smash that like button as usual, and take care and have a wonderful day.